guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited to share 2 chicken dishes with you. They are so easy, and the first is a teriyaki chicken recipe, and it only has 2 ingredients, and I promise you will think, your whole family will think that you picked up takeout. It is so good. Our kids grew up on this recipe and I still like it to this day. So I also want to share a really easy chicken parmesan recipe I picked up from Jessica O'Donoghue. Now, this video is not sponsored or a collaboration or anything, but y'all know how much I love Jessica, and she has awesome recipes, but she's also such a sweet lady to follow on Instagram and keep up with her life and her YouTube videos. My goal with YouTube is to help you out. So whether I'm helping you out by trying to motivate you to clean something, or try to give you a tip to save time or money, or inspire you to redecorate a room, I just want to share information with you that will help you out. And Jessica O'Donoghue, me telling you about her is to help you out. She's just so cute and has a lot of great recipes, and she's just fun. So check her out if you haven't already, and stick around till the end of the video. I have something I want to share with you. I mean, it's not going to be real hard to stick around. It's a very short video, but I do want to share that with you. So stick around and let's get started on these delicious but easy chicken recipes. Okay, y'all are about to see me cooking my lunch in my robe. Whenever I get the slightest chill in the house, I just put my robe on, and you see Willow in the back there. So you start out with these Tyson's crispy chicken strips. I highly recommend getting the crispy ones, and I put them on some tin foil. And y'all, this is weird, but the non-stick foil is amazing, but it doesn't cover my cookie sheet completely. So I always line it with a huge piece of regular foil, and then I put the non-stick foil on top because I don't want any of that sauce getting on the pan because I don't want to have to wash it. Okay, and this is the incredible second ingredient. It needs to be the Kikkoman brand, and it needs to say the based and glaze on there. Luckily, it is available at Walmart and any grocery store I've ever tried to find it in. It's in the Asian food section, and it's the one you need. It's like a thick sauce, and it has like a smoky flavor, and I'm telling you, it's going to taste like restaurant chicken, and it's just a bottled sauce. It's so good, and it's so easy because the chicken strips are already like breaded for you. I followed the instructions on the bag for the chicken. It said 18 to 20 minutes. I only do 18 minutes. So the first 10 minutes is on one side, then you take them out, flip them over, then you go another 8 minutes, and then you take them out because they're going to go back in the oven with this sauce, so you don't want to overcook them. Filming with one hand and tossing chicken strips with the other is not easy, but I got it done. And I wanted to tell you a little story about how I found this recipe. When I was in my 20s, which was a really long time ago, I took a cooking class, and the chef taught us how to bread and pan fry chicken strips, like chicken tenders, and then toss them in this exact sauce. So basically, this was a chef-inspired recipe. I just am skipping the hand-breaded step and cheating by using the Tyson's crispy strips, but I mean, they're really good. So to me, it saves on the mess, it saves on time, and they're still so good. This is one of my absolute favorite comfort meals, taking these teriyaki chicken strips and putting them with some mac and cheese, either the Kraft Blue Box or the shells and cheese, and also including some of my green beans, which I will leave down linked below in the description box for you. But the combination of those 3 things on one plate just makes me so happy. It's one of my absolute favorite meals. Okay, next up is the easy chicken parmesan that I picked up from Jessica O'Donoghue's channel. You start off with the Tyson's Southern Breast Tenderloins, and you really need to get that breading, because you may be able to use the crispy ones, but there's something about this breading that makes it taste the most like chicken parmesan. And you top it with sauce and a bunch of cheese and put it back in the oven and put it with some pasta, and it is so good. I love to drain my pasta and then toss it with some butter and olive oil. I just think it adds a little something to it, and then top it with my chicken parmesan. And I'll leave Jessica's channel linked down below because she's going to give you much more detail on this recipe. This was just like a quick little version that I wanted to pair with my teriyaki chicken, because it's basically 2 recipes that you can get from a bag of frozen chicken. They're both so good. Okay, y'all will have to let me know if you try out those recipes. And speaking of letting me know, I have been loving getting to know you guys on the comments. So my friends and family have commented on my videos from the beginning, and I'm so grateful for their support. But it is like so fun and special to hear from people that aren't my family. And so I'm so grateful for the comments that I've been getting lately and just being able to get to know you guys. And I hope you'll check out what other people are saying in the comments. I think it's fun to get to know each other and have like a little community. I'm so grateful for your supportive and encouraging comments, and I just wanted to give you a little shout out and keep the comments coming. And if you're kind of hesitant on commenting, I understand that. I think when I first started watching YouTube videos, I didn't want to have like, you know, a lot of interaction. But then like if I would watch a video and I'd have a question, I'd think to myself, well, they're not going to get back to me. I mean, they're too big and, you know, too busy or whatever. And when they would get back to me, it would be so exciting and encouraging to me that they wanted to help me out. So I think it's neat that now I'm on the other side, and I am so excited to hear from you guys. So thank you if you've been commenting, and if you haven't, leave something below. I'd love to get to know you. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let me know if you try out one of these recipes. Bye.